So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to install the Bumpsale button on a Leadpages powered landing page. This is assuming that you have already visited bumpsale.com and connected your Stripe account to create your first Bumpsale button. And that button has the Bumpsale promotion name, the starting price that you want set, the bump or increment price after each sale, and the thank you page. And all this is already set up, and you've got the HTML code, and you're trying to figure out where to put it on Leadpages so that the bump sale button shows up where you want it to, so people can buy when they visit your site. So the first step is to visit Leadpages, and you've got a block that you will select from the widgets menu, and then you will select the HTML block and drag it to where you want to show up on your Leadpages website, and click within that block, double click, and it'll show you the area where you can copy and paste HTML content. And then you'll head over to Bumpsale and copy the first line of code, which is the script. Paste the script into the Leadpages HTML area. Copy the next line of HTML code, which is the link, and paste that there. And then copy the last style bit of HTML code from Bumpsale, and then you copy that into Leadpages right there. And it's basically ready to go. You click save. And then from there, you can publish it. And I'm on a free trial, so it looks like I need to pay before I can show you the rest. But once you do that, you'll be able to see a preview of how the Bumpsale button looks on your website. And thankfully, you can still see that preview on the free trial. So you can see the Bumpsale button here that shows up right under where I put it. And you can see it's kind of off to the left a little bit. And so what I would do is go back and change the HTML code to add a center tag so that it shows up in the center like the other elements on the page. I do that with this center tag that opens it up, and scroll down to the end of it and add a closing center tag like so, and click save. And then click preview, and it builds the preview page for you to look at. And you should see that the new button is centered on the page, so that when someone visits your new Leadpages page, they can see your title of your course or digital product and the hero main image, and then the button that allows them to buy using the Bumpsale incremental pricing technology. So when they click on this button, the Bumpsale payment, secure payment box powered by Stripe pops up, and you get to see how the customer will see the countdown that starts, that encourages them to buy at the price that they've clicked buy now at. And once they've completed their payment information, this button will change to $2 on your website or whatever the increment is, and it automatically updates after each time a customer pays. And that's how you set up the Bumpsale button on Leadpages.